Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about weekly stock market review, and we will publish update. And we will figure out, is it bullish trend or it's a bearish trend? What's going on with the stock with the stock market and major indexes in the US market? Please subscribe for all my channels and click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate it. Let's move to VBull. VBull. If you want to learn more about VBull settings and setup, just go to the description. There is the link about VBull setup and other links about all other trainings. Let me briefly mention about what I have. I have moving averages. This is the line with all colors and values. White line is MA 200, purple line is MA 100, blue line is MA 50, yellow line it's MA 20, red line it's MA 10, and green line it's MA 5. MACD indicator, I'm using three indicators. MACD, signal line it's red line, green line it's MACD line, histogram red it's bearish, green it's bullish. Same setup for RSI. Red line is a signal line, green line it's RSI line, and awesome oscillator. Green it's a bullish, red it's a bearish. Let's start DXY dollar USA dollar weekly time frame. Another indecision, it's indecision bar on the, it's kind of when the sellers and buyers met at the same price level. It's not a bearish, it's not a bullish, it's indecision, right? It's similar like it was previous week. Even could be the similar price level, a little bit lower. Still bearish on the moving averages, bearish on the MACD, and bearish on RSI, and bearish on awesome oscillator. It means it's a bullish for indexes. Dollar bearish weekly, bullish for indexes. Let's try to check daily. Daily dollar is different story. Price action, this is the line, the price action. It's still below all moving averages, and it's still kind of bearish. MA5 wants to do bullish crossover. MACD already did bullish crossover, and RSI did bullish crossover, and awesome oscillator also bullish. All indicators shows bullish trend, bullish signal. The trend still bearish, but signal is bullish, and it has all indicators have bullish divergences. Look at it. Price action is downtrend, MACD uptrend, RSI uptrend, awesome oscillator uptrend. It's a bullish divergences, multiple bullish divergences for dollar. Dollar wants to go bullish. I believe next week it will be green bar and will be green week. Okay, let's move to Qs. Yeah, if dollar change direction to bullish, it will be bearish for indexes. That's what we have. Let's start Qs. Qs weekly. The green line, it's a major trend line from the top of the market. This is the top of the market one we had. This is the major trend line from top of the market, right? And this week we just closed above MA 200 and the major trend line. It's a bullish signal. MA5 did bullish crossover over 20 and 200. It's a bullish signal. Bullish signal on weekly time frame. Let me do it like this one. Maximize it. MACD bullish signal, bullish crossover. RSI bullish crossover. Awesome oscillator green bullish. Bullish signal on weekly time frame for Qs. Let's move to daily. Let's see what daily says to us. Daily similar bullish trend. It closed, the last bar closed above MA 200, and this is the green line. It's a major trend line, and it closed. It did bullish crossover of the major trend line, and also MA5 did very bullish crossover over 200. It's a bullish signal. Bullish signal on all indicators, no divergences. No divergences on Qs, bullish signal on all indicators let me, yeah, all indicators with bullish signal on daily time frame, weekly and daily Qs is bearish, is bullish. It's a strong bullish run for Qs. Let's see what we'll get next week. Next week it will be very huge volatility because a lot of earnings, and we will have also Fed meeting. It's a very sensitive meeting. Okay. Let me tell you, for the swing trading, I'm using 4 hours and daily time frame. I don't use weekly time frame for any tradings. It's good for investors. I do monitor weekly, monthly, even quarterly, but I don't trade on that time frame, on weekly time frame. But it's good for investors. Investors can invest based on the weekly time frame. Look at that. It's very simple, right? MACD change direction, and you can follow to MACD or moving averages. Like MA20 did bearish crossover, right? On the weekly time frame, MA20 did bearish crossover. This event happened last time. It happened 14 years ago in October 2008. In October 2008, and let me show you. Will I be able to show it? No. It's far away. Okay, you can check it. It's in October 2008 when we had the same bearish crossover. MA20 did bearish crossover over 200, and after that it was market crash, double bottom, recession. It was a lot of negative stuff after MA20 did bearish crossover over 200. That's what we did. That's what I did just recently, 2 weeks ago. But it's still on weekly, it's still bullish. We have to, remember, I don't predict the market. I don't have a crystal ball. I just follow the market direction. Now market is bullish, I am bullish. Market will change direction to bearish, I will change direction to bearish. That's how it simple works. That's simple. It's simple. No just guess, no fight with the market. Don't fight with the market. Just follow the direction of the market. Bullish trend, follow the bullish. Okay, let's move Qs bullish for on daily and weekly time frame. Let's do VXN volatility index. Let's see weekly what's going on. Weekly, it's a price action is bearish, right? Price action is bearish for weekly time frame. Bearish price action on the on MACD. It's a histogram. It's a bullish divergence. On RSI, similar bullish divergence. On Awesome Oscillator, no divergences on Awesome Oscillator on weekly time frame. Is bearish trend. It's a bullish for Qs, right? Let's check on daily what's going on. Just weeks I'm using. I don't trade weeks also. I just use it for the confirmation. Look at it. The price action is downtrend on a daily, right? On a daily, price action is downtrend, but I don't like this drawings. Boy, I don't use it. I'm using not properly. Okay, but we have bullish divergences on MACD, bullish divergences on RSI, and bullish divergences on Awesome Oscillator. On daily, volatility index for Nasdaq wants to go bullish, and it will change direction on daily for Qs to bearish. But today we are talking about weekly. Weekly, it's still bearish, and it's a bullish for Qs. Weekly time frame. On weekly time frame, it has, look at that, price action is downtrend, right? But on weekly time frame, on RSI, it has bullish divergence on weekly time frame on RSI, and on the histogram, on the MACD histogram. It's kind of, it wants to change direction also to bullish, and it will be bearish for Qs. We'll see. Because, let me go back to Qs again. It's a bullish signal right now, but remember and be careful, because we are still in a bearish trend. Generally, it's a bearish trend because MA20 did bearish crossover. That's why for me it's a bearish trend, and it's a powerful MA20 and MA200, the most powerful moving averages. Also the MA50, it's a downtrend, it's a powerful also. For me it means market still bearish, even MA200 uptrend. But the last bar, it touched MA50. MA50 can be resistant, and next week can be bearish, can be red. We can get red. And also, we'll see next week. Okay, let's move to SPY. SPY on weekly time frame, green line, it's also trend line from the top. And remember, we closed the last bar closed above the trend line and above all moving averages except 100. It closed above trend, but one bar, it's okay. Next weekend can close below, we'll see. But MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. It's a bullish signal. Bullish signal on MACD, it's a bullish signal, on RSI bullish signal, on awesome oscillator green bullish signal. SPY bullish on weekly time frame. SPY bullish weekly time frame. Let's move to, let's go back to weekly time frame. Yeah, the price action is, price action on weekly, it's a bullish, right? Bullish. On the MACD histogram, it's a bearish. Yeah, only one divergence. Let's move to daily. Daily SPY. Daily SPY price action is uptrend. Histogram, MACD histogram, it's downtrend. RSI bullish. Also consider bullish. Bullish trend, bullish signal. Bullish signal on MACD, bullish signal on RSI, and awesome oscillator on moving averages. Still bullish signal. It has some bearish divergence with MACD histogram and bearish divergence with volume. Bearish divergence with volume on daily time frame for SPY. Let's check weeks. Weekly price action downtrend. MACD histogram uptrend, RSI uptrend, also bullish divergence on MACD, on RSI. It wants to go bullish, but still has bearish signal on all indicators. It means bullish for SPY on weekly time frame. Let's move to daily. VIX daily volatility index for S&P. Price actions downtrend. On MACD, it has bullish divergence on MACD. The signal still bearish signal on RSI and also oscillator. On all indicators, signal is bearish, but it has bullish divergences. On all indicators. It means VIX wants to go bullish on daily time frame, and it will bring SPY bearish. I believe, it can change direction next week, but so far it's bearish and bullish for SPY. We'll see what will happen next week. Daily time frame, it's a bullish divergence with bearish signal. Let's move to DIA daily Dow Jones Industrial. Let's start weekly. Similar, it has two trend lines. I'm using two trend lines. One, this is the major trend line from the top of the market, and the second is also major trend line from the top of the market. And now kind of bars between two trend lines. MA5 did bullish crossover. It's a weekly time frame. It's a bullish signal, MACD bullish signal, RSI bullish signal, and awesome oscillator bullish signal. Weekly time frame, Dow bullish. Let's check daily. daily time frame for Dow. MA5 did bullish crossover, last bar close in above the all moving averages. It's a bullish. The bar is in decision mode. Let's see, the price action for daily is uptrend, right? Uptrend direction. On volume, it's a downtrend direction, bearish divergences for volume. For volume, if you check here, it is uptrend. Uptrend on daily time frame. Bearish divergences, it wants to go bearish. Same with the MACD. MACD has bearish divergences also. On MACD histogram, in MACD lines, RSI has also bearish divergences on a daily time frame, and awesome oscillator has, actually no, it's from this point. I need to check from this. No, I'm sorry, I was wrong. It's from this point. We didn't touch this point yet. Let me change it. It is like this one, supposed to be like this one. Yeah, like this. And remove this one. No bearish divergences on the MACD. Okay, bearish divergences only on volume, and price action is bullish. Bullish on all indicators for daily time frame for Dow. Let's move to VXD weekly. It's a volatility index for Dow Jones. Like I said, I don't trade it, but I do use it, just monitor it for the confirmation. Bearish price action, bearish trend on all indicators, no changes. Bearish trend on all indicators. It's a bullish for Dow. Daily time frame, bearish price action, bearish. Actually, it's a bullish. It was kind of bullish. Green, MACD, moving average is kind of, it closed above MA10. MACD kind of flat. RSI bearish. Awesome oscillator bullish. It's a mixed mode, and it has bullish divergences, right? MACD, look at it. Uptrend. It's a bullish divergence. Same with RSI. RSI has bullish divergence also. Look at it from this point. It is uptrend, and awesome oscillator also has bullish divergences. Price action bearish. It's the indicator is bullish. It means volatility index wants to go bullish. It means it will be bearish for Dow on daily time frame. Looks like next week it will change direction to bearish. We'll see. Let's move to IWM. IWM weekly. Green line, it's a major trend line. We also closed, last bar closed, actually 3 weeks closed above major trend line. It is bullish trend. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. It is bullish signal. MACD bullish signal. RSI bullish signal. Awesome oscillator bullish signal on weekly time frame for IWM. Let's move to daily. Daily, similar story. Last bar close above all moving averages, bullish trend. MA20 did bullish crossover over 200. It is bullish trend. MACD bullish, RSI bullish, and awesome oscillator bullish. Bullish trend for IWM daily time frame. It has some also bearish divergences. Look at it. Volume is has bearish divergences. Price action is up. RSI has bearish divergences. MACD has bearish divergences. MACD histogram. RSI has bearish divergences, kind of flat. I'm sorry. No. Bearish divergences are awesome oscillator doesn't have. multiple bearish divergences on the daily time frame for IWM. Let's move to Apple. Apple weekly. Apple weekly. Major trend line. Yeah, it's still far away from it. MA5 wants to do bullish crossover. It didn't confirm yet. Last bar close above MA5, 10 and 20. Bullish week, bullish bar. Last 3 weeks is bullish. Were bullish. MACD ready for bullish crossover. It's already did bullish crossover because we have green bar on the MACD histogram. RSI bullish crossover, also oscillator bullish. Apple weekly bullish trend. It changed from bearish to bullish. Apple changed from bearish to bullish. It was bearish from the September, right? From the September it was bearish, and today it kind of trying to change to bullish. Similar was here, right? We did get green bar also, yeah, but different power. Here it was kind of flat. Now it's kind of powerful. 3 weeks in a row it was powerful. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe next week it will destroy. Who knows? Nobody knows. It has, yeah, it has bullish divergences. Still has bullish divergences. I showed you before. Look at it. Price action is downtrend. Price action is downtrend, but on the MACD it's uptrend on a weekly time frame. On RSI from here also on weekly time frame it's a bullish divergence. On awesome oscillator also it wants to go bullish. Apple wants to go bullish on weekly time frame, and it did change direction to bullish. That's what I told you. Divergences always work. Always work. Divergences always work. Especially multiple divergences on multiple indicators. It always work. And we'll see. Maybe next week will be green bar, red bar, whatever. It's not, yeah. But it's still bullish divergences. Let's see. Let's see daily. Apple daily. Apple daily, bullish run, bullish trend on daily. Nice bullish run on the price action. Great run. It touched almost MA200. We'll see if it can reject. It can be rejected. MACD bullish trend, RSI bullish trend, awesome oscillator bullish on daily time frame. Bullish, no divergences. Has some, I can say, some volume divergences. There's some volume divergences. Price action is up, volume is kind of down, or maybe flat. Let's consider flat. No divergences. Okay, bullish for Apple daily and weekly. Let's move to Tesla. Tesla is, it showed, yeah, it has a very strong green week. Green week, MA5 didn't do bullish crossover yes, but the last bar close above MA5, 10, 20. I'm sorry, not 20, 200, white line, it's 200. MACD ready for bullish crossover. It is great. RSI already did bullish crossover, awesome oscillator bullish crossover. It means Tesla on weekly changed direction from bearish to bullish. It was bearish since September 30th, and now it changed direction to bullish. That's great. That's great. Weekly bullish trend. Let's check daily. Daily green bar close above MA5, 10, 20, and 50. It's a bullish trend. MACD bullish, volume is strong bullish, RSI bullish in oversold territory above the 70 line. Overbought territory, I'm sorry, overbought, did I say oversold? Overbought territory. Awesome oscillator bullish, all indicators bullish, strong bullish, volume bullish. Only one kind of negative, it's the last bar far from MA20. Far from MA20, it can have some correction. Maybe it will continue to run bullish, or next week it will be some sell-off. We'll see, because it has it left tons of the gaps, gap ups. Okay, bullish daily and weekly. Let's move to BABA. Alibaba Group. Bullish trend, bullish. Actually, last week was not bullish. 3 weeks in a row it was bullish. The last week it was red. It was red in decision mode, I can say. And what we have bullish price action on the weekly and bearish divergence on the volume. Volume is decreasing. A bullish trend on MACD, bullish trend on RSI and awesome oscillator. Still bullish trend with bearish divergence on the volume. On weekly time frame, let's move to daily. Let's move to daily and see what's going on with daily. Daily, different story. MACD already changed direction to bearish. Last bar closed below MA5, but no confirmation on MACD yet. Price action is uptrend. Uptrend. On the volume we have downtrend, bearish divergence. On the MACD histogram we have bearish divergence also. And on RSI we have bearish divergence also. RSI line and RSI in the overbought territory, about the 70. It was kind of even 85, right? At some level. Yeah, 76. And also bearish divergences on awesome oscillator. Looks like BABA wants to go bearish. It has still bullish, yeah, not bullish. Bullish trend only on the moving averages, but MACD, RSI, and awesome oscillator already bearish on daily time frame. That's all. Let's do summary. All indexes still in the bullish trend on all, yeah, and Apple and Tesla in bullish trend on the weekly time frame. All indexes bullish. On daily time frame, indexes bullish. Bullish trend, strong bullish trend, but it has all indexes, they have bearish divergences. It means they can have on daily time frame only, they can have some correction on daily time frame. Maybe next week we'll see. Next week will be very volatile because of the earnings season and Fed meeting. We'll see. Maybe it will be very bullish. So far, divergences show to us that it can have some correction next week. Maybe it will be short-term correction, just 1 week correction, and after that it will go bullish again, but we will see. So far it's still all bullish. Okay, thank you so much. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for indexes, for stocks, ETFs, and cryptos. Please subscribe for all my channels. Click notification button for YouTube and click like button for YouTube channel to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts and time for watching my videos. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now. Tomorrow I will do monthly review. Thanks.